guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Teenager Who Cooks. In this channel, we will share with you some recipes for basic Asian foods and a couple of desserts. So our first episode today will be how to cook rice. Rice is extremely important in all Chinese meals, and being part of a Chinese family, I eat rice almost every single day, and that's how I learned how to cook it. So this is a rice cooker. Almost every single Chinese family will have a rice cooker because you need it every single day. You can get these rice cookers on basically at every Asian market or even Amazon, and they range from very cheap, like $30 all the way to hundreds of dollars. And this is a 5-cup rice cooker, which means the inside can make up to 5 cups of rice. It's very simple to use, and all you have to do is put in rice, water, and press start, and it will automatically time it for you, and so you will know when it is done. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you make rice. So rice cookers will usually come with these measuring cups. If you don't have one of these measuring cups, then you can just use any old standard measuring cup. So this is how I make rice every single day. Our family of 3 people usually requires to eat 2 cups of rice every day. So we take the little bucket out and take our rice measuring cup. We get the big bag of rice and we measure out 1 cup and 2 cups. It's that easy. So now we come over to the sink. Before we can actually cook the rice, we have to wash the rice, just in case it's dirty. So usually I wash the rice for like 2 times. You put it in some water, and then just go in and swirl it around with your hands. Eventually you see that the water around it turns kind of cloudy, which is good, which means all of the dirty stuff is coming off. And then you can drain it off. Try not to let most of the rice fall out like I just did. And simply repeat this process again, and then your rice will be cooked. So after we have our washed and clean rice, we have to add the water. So when we add water, we usually like to add drinking water. And then if you look over here, there are a couple different scales depending on what type of rice you want to make. We have white rice, here we have porridge, and here we have sushi rice. This is white rice, so we'll be using the white rice scale. Our family usually likes a softer rice, so if we have 2 cups of rice, then we would put it up to the 3 line. If you liked regular drier rice, then you would put it up to the 2 line. And for our family, if you wanted to make 3 cups of rice, then you could put it up to the 4 line to make it a little bit softer. Okay, so now that we have our rice that is in the water, now all that's left is to put it in the machine and to cook it. All we have to do, put it in, close the cap, and then just press start. So that's the easy yet important steps to making rice. I hope you learned something from this video, and this is Teenager Who Cooks. Thank you for watching.